Hi, John. This is Mutlu. I'm sorry about the late response, but I needed to get my house in order. You know, all of us are living some unexpected conditions. So I will try to answer your two questions. One of your question was, I understood the composition f of g. However, you were having some confusion with understanding this f of g composition from the tables. All right, let's start with the same example on the PowerPoint. I will try to go over that and record that for you. So because the question is asking f of g, and because g is inside function, meaning that g's output will be inputs for f. Okay, so then we need to look at g's outputs. So g has 4, 2, 0, 2, 4. So range or output, they're the same thing, for g is 4 to 0 or 0 to 4 if you put it in order. All right. So then these guys will be input for f. Okay. So I need to look at input for f's and I need to mark the numbers that I see as 0 to 4. So this cannot be happening. This cannot be happening. Yes, this will work. This cannot work. Yes, this will work. Because from this picture or from the given detail, we can only talk about those two functions in terms of numerically because they're giving us the tables. We don't know the function graphs. We don't know the function rules or algebraic equations of the functions. So then f of g will be working only for 0 and 2. Okay, so then f of g 0 will be 0 and f of g 2 will be 1. Right, so 2. Okay, so then f of g has a domain of 0 and 2. F of g has a range of 0, 1. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. We can do g of f if you want, with the same manner. All right, so with the g of f, now we need to look at the outputs of f, or range of f. So range of f is -1, 3, 0, -3, 1. Oh, okay, so then we need to consider all of them. Like you see, there is no overlaps that we had on the g of x. So in g of x, we did have 4 2's we're repeating, so we need to get all of them. -1, 3, 0. -1, 0. Oh, well, actually, that starts with -3, I guess. -3, -1. Always good to put them in order. -3, -1, 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Okay. Then these guys will be working on g. However, so this cannot work. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This cannot work. So we can only take -1, 0, 1 from here. -1, 0, 1. Right? Then So g of f g of f will have a domain of -1, 0, 1. G of f range will be, let's see, -1 will be 2, 0 will be 0, 1 will be 2. 2, 0. And that's it. We don't repeat 2 again because we already have 2 there. That's it. Hope it helps. See you hopefully on Tuesday, tomorrow. Yep. Bye.